So hello there and welcome to Budget Model Railways and another of our Tutorial Tuesday series. So what we're going to be doing today is a bit of static grass because we know that's something a lot of people are interested in. So we're going to have a static grass applicator from HobbyKing, which we'll show in a minute. Now one of the things I just want to show everybody is this. This is no nonsense PVA that came from Screwfix, the tool people. One of our commentators put us onto this. £10 for 5 litres. So it's £2 a litre, which is half of what something PVA from Hobbycraft or Wix, and it's a decent, really good PVA. It's not watery and thin like the Poundland. So really good. If you're doing a lot of model railways, well worth having. So what we're going to do, obviously to start off with, is we're going to put this PVA all over where we want to do the static grass. So what I'm doing here is I'm using neat PVA. We've experimented with using it watered down, but what we found is that it's just not sticky enough if it's watered down. So I'm going to just do this bit first, this side. And this is a little diorama that Doug's making, or we're making, for doing photography and things like that on. So it's not really a layout as such, it's a little diorama. Now I'm going to just work a little bit of glue. There's a little bit of a gap here around the buttress, so I'm just going to work a little bit of glue in there. And then we can fill that with static grass. Right, so that's our glue applied. Okay. So this is the HobbyKing static grass applicator that you've seen us use before. It was £25, which is still a lot less than the £40 that some of the new ones are, and obviously a little bit more than some of the cheaper versions. So it's halfway in the middle, but we get on with it quite well. So we put a little nail in there to earth it. I press the on button,
which is on the bottom.
Turn it on. Alright, there we go. And then just give it a little shake.
Side to side.
Side to side.
And make sure not to touch the nail.
And it's very important you don't earth yourself, we've discovered. You do get quite an interesting shock if you do. There we go. And that's that bit, and then we'll go over in a minute and we'll do the rest. So what I've just done there is just to shake the excess off. And you can see then actually quite nicely how fluffy it is, that it's all stuck up. So I'm just going to save some of this so that I can do the front edge to give us a neat finish. And there we go. And then that will be our, once it's all dry, that'll be our little demonstration piece. And we'll put some photos on the end of the video as well to show you. But if I just do that, you can see the grass sticking up and how great it's looking now with the ballast and everything, and the water beginning to look really nice. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.